First, given this part is right-handed side part, let it be as a f of x comma y, because that is the f is the equation in terms of x comma y. Right hand side let it be as a f of x comma y. In place of x take kx. In place of y take ky and substitute in this equation k power is 0, then it is a homogeneous equation. Okay na? So everyone substitute x place is the kx, y place is the ky, substitute x place is the kx, k square x square, y place is the ky, k square y square. By denominator is the x place is the kx, k square x square, x place is the kx, y place is the ky. Now we can take k square is common. We take the k square is common. X square plus y square. Denominator also k square is common. So x square plus xy. So now k a power of m by a power of n is a power of m minus n. Don't cancel. K square is not, don't cancel. So now we can see. So you can write this is equal to k power of 0. 2 minus 2 is the 0. F of x comma y. When the k power of 0 will become and xy terms is k, same original function is given again, then it is k power of 0 means homogeneous equation. Because of no constant terms are all are cancelled, means it is a common, totally the constant term is common, means it is a homogeneous equation. Right, now write down the given differential equation. Given differential equation is homogeneous equation. Right. Given differential equation is homogeneous equation. Next method. Now we go through the next method. Everyone see. For the next method, we take the same equation dy by dx. Now take dy by dx. Second part. First part is completed, second part is equal to x square plus y square. By denominator is the x square plus xy. Now in this problem let y is equal to ka. Let y is equal to vx. V also variable, x also variable. V also variable, x also variable. Both are variable. X also variable, V also variable, X also variable. So U into V formula. Now write down second part is U into V formula. So dy by dx is equal to V x derivative is 1 plus x V derivative is with respect to x is the dv by dx. Okay na? So now in place of dy by dx write down this value. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square. Y place is the v square. Y place is the v square x square by x square. So x, y place is the vx. Write down. Take x square is the common and cancel. Take x square is a common and cancel. So now x into dv by dx is equal to x square is common and cancel. 1 plus v square by 1 plus v. Plus v bring on the right side minus v. Take LCM x into dv by dx. So that is equal to 1 plus v square minus by the LCM minus v square by 1 plus v. V square is cancelled. Now variable separable method is came. That means one function we can be changed into the another function. That is the process of differential equation. Mean differential equation is, so one variable we have have to change into the another method. By that method is we are going to solving. So non-homogeneous equation is given. We are going to change. So we are going to change into the variable separable method. We are going to change into that means one method of the problem we are going to convert into the another method. We can do the problem. So now you can bring the v terms on dv side, x terms on dx side. 1 plus v by 1 minus v. 1 plus v by 1 minus v into dv is equal to x dx. 1 by x into dx. So exact derivative is came. Now apply the integration. Now start integration everyone. Now start the up to this part is completed last class. Once again I am repeating all the model. Now so degree of v and degree of denominator v both are same. Therefore division method that is the indefinite integration is the division method. So we can divide and write down 1 plus v with 1 minus v. 1 plus v divide with 1 minus v mean how many times means minus 1 times. Minus 1 minus minus is the plus v. By the subtraction plus 1 minus both are cancelled 2. Therefore we can write q plus q means this quotient plus r remainder by dividend. 1 minus v I am going to write because of degree of numerator, degree of denominator both are equal or greater than the numerator degree. Division method we have to discuss in the indefinite integration. Basing that one I am writing here is everyone see integral of 2 q is the minus 1 plus remainder is the 2 by 1 minus v into dv is equal to log x. Right, separate the two parts and apply the integration. Separate the two parts and apply the integration everyone. Integ minus 1 take minus is the outside. 1 into dv plus 2 is the outside. Integral of 1 by 1 minus v into dv is equal to log x. Is equal to log x. Okay, na? Is equal to log x minus 1 into dv is the v. Here f dash x by f of x model. So we know that f dash x by we know that f dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x formula that is equal to log of f of x. 1 times c denominator derivative is 1 minus v derivative is the minus 1. There is no minus. There is no minus. Multiply minus. Minus 2. Integral of minus 1 by 1 minus v into dv is equal to log x. Now apply the integration formula. Minus v. Minus minus is the minus 2. F dash x by f of x. Log of 1 minus v. Log of 1 minus v is equal to log x plus integral constant should be write down on x side only. Integral constant I will write plus c. Now write down the v means y by x minus 2 into log of 1 minus y by x is equal to log x plus c. Right, now simplify, you get the answer. Simplify, you get the answer everyone. Textbook answer is needed, means simplify. Textbook answer is needed, means simplify everyone. Here is where we have to bring log terms on the one side. So no need. You will bring the log terms in the one side. Minus y by x minus c is equal to log x plus 2 into log of, so LCM is the x square, x minus y by x. Next you take the simplification, you get the answer. So y minus y, everyone see minus y by x, everyone see minus y by x. So minus y by x minus c is equal to log x. So m log n log n is the power x minus y whole square by x square. Right, now we can take the log m plus log n formula, minus y by x minus c log m into n x into x minus y whole square by x square. One extra term should be cancelled. Minus y by x minus c is equal to log of x minus y whole square by x. X minus y whole square by x. That is the required answer. You move further also. So log also you will replace in the textbook. Log also you will be replaced. So textbook answer is needed, means everyone see log is replaced. So log is e base, you will take the power e power of minus y by x minus c is equal to x minus y whole square by x. Okay na? Right, e power of minus y by x into e power of minus c is equal to x minus y whole square by x. This is you will write as a constant C1 or capital C. You will write the answer. That is the textbook answer. You will write the constant, you will write the textbook answer by the cross multiplication x e power of y minus x. This is the capital C constant. That's why x minus y whole square. This is the given textbook answer. Exactly textbook answer is same. Right, second problem is the easy. That's why I will go through the third problem. You can try second problem. Everyone write down the third problem. In examination, exactly textbook answer is not necessary. If you know means simplify, no means we can complete up to what is the given. Okay na? Right, I go through the third problem, everyone. Second problem is homework. I tell now alternate I will work out. Odd numbers I will work out. Even numbers we should be work out. Okay na? Right, everyone, you go through the third problem. Everyone remember today is the Saturday. Next Saturday we have the one small test, that is the indefinite integration. Indefinite integration complete 1 week before only I am telling. Indefinite integration should be practice. Okay now, afternoon only we put the examination. Classes as usual. So every weekend we have the test. So principal sir is tell that every weekend subjective plus objective both same. Subjective is right now, objective also same model of the problems I will give. So present object is not completed, same day, yes, same day both subjective and objective, only one examination. Saturday only one examination, Monday is the one examination. So that means Saturday is the maths, means Monday is the biology by computer. Okay na? So next weekend they will put the physics and chemistry. Like that one it will be go. Okay na? So everyone remember, coming Saturday maths examination only indefinite integration. You should prepare. Okay na? Objective sir, objective is the same subjective problems. In that one more questions only I will give. Okay na? Right, everyone go through the third problem. X minus y into dy. X minus y into dy minus x plus y into dx. Here variables are not possible to separate. Variables are not possible to separate. Therefore, homogeneous equation, first you have to show that it is a homogeneous equation. First, minus is equal to 0, one part bring on the right hand side. Everyone see the solution. X minus y into dy is equal to one part write down right hand side, x plus y into dx. Immediately write down the dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x minus y. X plus y by x minus y. Right, everyone see. Now it is a homogeneous or non-homogeneous. So first I am going to check. First given this right hand side, f of x comma y, f is changing x and y as x plus y by x minus y. That is the meaning. X y is f is changing x and y as x plus y by x minus y. Variables are changing like this one. Immediately let x is equal to kx, same model, no change. Y is equal to ky and substitute in this one. F of kx comma ky. Now substitute. So x place is the kx, y place is the ky. By x place is the kx, y place is the ky. K take common. So x plus y by k common x minus y. So m a power of m by a power of n is a power of m minus n. Therefore 1 minus 1 will become as a 0. K power of 0 f of x comma y. K power of 0 is k, means immediately given differential equation is a homogeneous equation. Is homogeneous equation. One part is completed. Right, everyone go through the second part. Alright, here only second part. Solving of the differential equation. dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x minus y. Immediately let y is equal to v is the variable into x is the variable. V also variable, x also variable. Immediately dy by dx is equal to v, x derivative is 1 plus x, v derivative is dv by dx. Now you can be substituting this equation, this part. It will become as a variable separable method. This is converted into the variable separable method. dv by dx place is the v into x, dv by dx is equal to x, y place is the vx by x, y place is the vx, x is common and write down. X into dv by dx is equal to x is common and cancel. 1 plus v by 1 minus v plus v, bring on the minus v, take LCM. 1 plus v minus v plus v square by 1 minus v cancel. Now separate everyone. 1 minus v by 1 plus v square into dv is equal to 1 by x into dx. This come on the right hand side. 1 minus v by 1 plus v square into dv. X dx come on this side. Exhaust derivative is completed. So now separate the two parts. 1 by 1 plus v square into dv minus integral of v by 1 plus v square into dv is equal to log x. Right, everyone go through the indefinite integration. 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration is the tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration is the tan inverse x. This is tan inverse of b. Multiply 2 and divide with 2. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2. It is the formula of, we know that, what is the formula is f dash x by f of x. F of x derivative is the numerator, then formula is the log of f of x. We know that. Write down this formula and apply. So 1 plus v square, 1 derivative 0, v square derivative is the 2v. F dash x by f of x, log of, write down everyone, tan inverse of b minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus integral constant is the c. Right. Now simplify log terms on the one side and simplify log terms on the one side and simplify everyone. You get textbook answer. Same model. Problem is the same model. Up to 10 same models. After then particular solution means c value you can get. Fast everyone, complete. I will go through the simplification. V places the y by x. Tan inverse of y by x. Constant c bring on the left hand side, minus c. Logarithmic term take on the right hand side. 1 by what is that? Log x plus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus v square. Right, simplify everyone. This is the power of this one. Tan inverse of y by x minus c log x. This is the power of this one, log of root of 1 plus v square. V means write down y by x. V means write down v by x. Tan inverse of y by x minus c log of x into root over 1 plus y square by x square. Take LCM and simplify. Take LCM and simplify. Tan inverse of y by x minus c log of x into LCM is x square plus y square by x square under root of x square is the x is cancelled. That is the required answer in the back side of textbook. That is the required answer in back side of textbook. Minus c they will write plus c also. Minus c. Minus c place they will write plus c also back side. Back side of the textbook answer we can get. No means he will take the logarithm also. He will replace logarithm also. I hope that he replace the logarithm. Textbook answer is now take e power of tan inverse of y by x minus c is equal to root over x square plus y square. This is e power of tan inverse of y by x. E power of minus c the constant c into root over x square plus y square. That is the required answer. Back side of textbook. Right, everyone. E power of minus c. E power of minus c will write it as a capital C. That is a constant. Even number is your homework. I go through the again. Odd fifth problem. Everyone write on the fifth. Every problem is the same model, no difference. Every problem is the same model. You do the number of problems means we get perfectness in this one. Everyone go through the fifth problem. Everyone noted indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. So topic is a weekend examination syllabus. It will be conducted on next Saturday. Coming, that is the next Saturday. 1 week before only I am telling. So no one cannot be absent. You should be remember. Everyone, you should be remember. No one cannot be absent. You should be remember. Right. Everyone see. So first test also so many persons is the absentees. So those we are sending the papers only valuation is over. We will send the marks also. So many persons they write examination but they cannot send the answer sheets also. So that persons also we are putting as the absentees. So principal sir is taking very seriously. Everyone remember. So you should be attend the examination. You should be prepared and attend the examination. He is not going to giving the practical marks. He is taking very seriously. So that's why they will send marks to your WhatsApp numbers. Maximum those we are rating, they are getting the maximum marks. So above 35, 50, so many persons is getting 50. Yes, 25 marks. 25 marks. This is the weekend, 25 marks. Okay, na? Right on the fifth problem. Only indefinite integration. Both will be conducted on the same day. Okay, na? Only one examination. Maths only one examination. Next Monday, one examination. Right. Everyone prepare. Write down the fifth problem. X square dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y square xy. Xy terms are not possible to separate. Xy terms are not possible to separate. Therefore, it is a homogeneous equation. Immediately write down dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy. By denominator is the x square. First check homogeneous equation. Next go to the solving method. So right side let it be as a f of x comma y. So f is changing x and y as x square minus 2y square plus xy by x square. Now take x place is the x is replaced is the kx. Y place is the ky, y place is the ky, substitute f of x place is the kx, y place is the ky is equal to k square x square minus 2k square y square plus kx into ky by k square x square. Numerator k square is common, denominator also common. Therefore, k power of 0 f of x comma y. Immediately write down. So, given differential equation is a homogeneous equation because of k power is the 0 mean k is common and cancel mean it have the equal powers in the numerator and denominator. Immediately go through the next part. Second one, dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y square xy. Immediately for the second part let it be y. let y is equal to vx. Immediately its derivative is dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. U into v formula, right? Substitute everyone. Substitute and simplify with the answer. dy by dx place is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square minus 2 v square x square y place is x into vx by denominator is the x square is common and cancel x into dv by dx. By taking the x square is common 1 minus 2v square plus v, x square is cancelled, plus v bring on this side minus v, both v terms are cancelled. Right, everyone, now separate 1 by 1 minus 2v square is equal to 1 by x into dv by dx. Here is the dv. So exact derivatives came, integration is applied. Take 2 is common. 1 by 2 is the outside. 1 by 2 minus v square into dv is equal to log x. Integral of 1 by a square minus x square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x is the formula. One time recollect, last time will work out. Indefinite integration. Total problems are depending upon indefinite. Definite also depending upon indefinite. Differential equations also depending upon indefinite integration. That's why I will take for the weekend examination we are going to prepare for indefinite mean. The 3 topics are same. Right, 1 by 2 write down. 1 by 2 integral of 1 by root 2 whole square minus v square. 1 by root 2 whole square minus v square dv is equal to log x. dv is equal to log x. Now write down the formula. So 1 by a means 1 by root 2 minus v, x means v square. Apply that formula everyone. Then write down the textbook answer everyone. Write down the textbook answer first. Here is I am writing 1 by 2 textbook 1 by 2a value is the 1 by root 2 1 by 2a log of a means 1 by root 2 minus x means b by a means 1 by root 2 minus x means b is equal to log x plus integral constant is the c. Right, simplify everyone. Here root 2 times is cancelled. 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 take common LCM 1 plus root 2v by 1 minus root 2v. LCM of numerator, LCM of denominator both are cancelled is equal to log x plus c. Right. Next one is now everyone simplify. Same answer is given back side. Same answer is given, but v places he will write y by x. 1 by 2 root 2 log of 1 plus root 2 y by x by 1 minus root 2 y by x is equal to log x plus c. X is take LCM and cancel. 1 by 2 root 2 log of LCM is the x plus root 2y by x minus root 2y. Numerator x, denominator x is cancelled, is equal to log x plus c. That is the required backside answer. First everyone, 7th problem. 60 even numbers is the homework, odd numbers I am doing. Seventh problem everyone.